Day in the life of a RV rental owner, guys. I'm the boss with my little bosses, showing them how to be a boss. Now, don't be fooled. They're my hired help, but they're in it for the reward. So today, we have a drop-off at a local state park because we run a fleet of RVs. I'm like the Airbnb of RVs in my area. Now, this particular rental will net us about $1,100 to $1,200. So we're at the local state park, dropping off for a client. I pull in, I immediately dump the tanks because state parks will usually only have water and electricity, not sewer. And sometimes they have some tight spots like this. So as you see here, they're pretty tight, but I'm pretty good. So I get it snug, maximize the camp spot as much as possible. I set everything up along with my hired help. Arlo knows his way around a tongue jack, so that's what he's doing here. And it requires a little extra muscle. As you see, he's got it covered. Now, Asa handled the stabilizers along with his brother Asher, but right now he's probably off chasing some squirrels or wrestling a bear. Who knows? So I step in on the other side. I help out. Once we're done this, the boys will take off for the playground, and I'll finish setting up. Now, I'll make sure the water, electricity, and sewer's all hooked up in most cases. I'll make sure it smells good, the TV scanned, the Roku's set up. If it's hot or cold, I'll set the AC or heat. And I'll do one final walkthrough and make sure it smells good. Now, we're Max Your Journey RV Rentals. Check us out on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. And as you see here, they have an awesome covered spot at this state park, guys. I'll see